Hello children, I am Dr. Akhila Vasant, a doctor for children with kidney problems from Narayana Health City, Bengaluru. I am here to give a small educational talk about kidneys on the occasion of World Kidney Day. So what are kidneys? Your kidneys are two of the most important organs in your body. Without them, your body cannot function properly. The kidneys make urine and do many other important things for your body. Your kidneys are located on either side of the spine, just under your back ribs, but you can't feel them with your hands. Each kidney is about the size of your own clenched fist or a computer mouse. They have an unusual shape. Kidney beans are named after them because they have the same shape. Kidneys are on cleanup duty every minute of every day. In order to stay healthy, your body needs the right amount of nutrients, which is vitamins, minerals, proteins, and all other things that our body needs to function well. You get nutrients from the different foods that you eat. Kidneys check and control the minerals, vitamins, and other nutrients that you get from your food and send anything which is not needed off into the urine. Your body needs the right amount of water for it to work properly. Kidneys make sure that they let just enough water to stay in the body and get rid of the rest. The kidneys make a hormone, a special chemical messenger made by our body that tells your heart how hard to pump blood around your body. This is called blood pressure. This hormone can make blood pressure rise when a higher pressure is required to make sure that the blood gets to all parts of your body. The kidneys make a hormone that tells the body when to make more red blood cells. Red blood cells carry oxygen around your body, which keeps your body working. Vitamins. Kidneys produce active vitamin D. Vitamins are substances that your body needs so that it can work properly. Vitamin D helps the body to absorb calcium from dairy products and some other foods that you eat. Calcium is a mineral that you need to keep your bones and teeth strong. So what happens when kidneys don't work well? Your body can work with only one kidney, as long as that kidney is quite healthy. If both kidneys stop working for good, then you may need a special treatment to stay alive, which is dialysis or a new kidney, what we call as transplantation. So how to keep your kidneys healthy? Number one, drink enough water every day. Kidneys like a lot of water. Number two, do not eat food with too much salt. Number three, do not eat food with too much sugar and avoid soft drinks. Number four, eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Number five, keep active, play sports. Number six, do not smoke. Number seven, do not take over-the-counter drugs. So I would like to move your feet on the occasion of World Kidney Day. So I would like you to do a lot of exercise and play outside rather than staying at home with your mobile phones or TV. Thank you.